We're gonna buy a flip house, and from start to finish, we're gonna use HUDU to flip the entire thing.
We got this house over here that we're looking at. The catch here is what? What don't they want us to do? An inspection. So today what we're gonna do is we're calling in Derreck's expertise and his father's expertise, and we're gonna do our own inspection. We're gonna find out whether or not we should get this house.
Our objective here is to buy a property, get it all fixed up, and then be able to sell it to a young family, a veteran, a single parent, and be able to sell the house to them with $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 in equity in the house. That's why it's flip it forward. We're not out here trying to make a profit.
And each project is going to be listed on HUDU, because if it's legal, you can list it, folks. No other platform can actually do what we're gonna do with this house. And then we're gonna pass it on. We're gonna flip it forward.
I love it.
This is nuts.
So older houses will have either the CMU or like a clay tile foundation. And the clay tile, it's much more difficult to repair. CMU is easy to repair. Look at that. This is probably the water leak in the basement. There's water coming in. This is probably why. Oh God, look at that. It rains, the water is just coming right in, going right down into the foundation. Garage is in good shape.
Very good shape.
You guys got some nice tools.
Yeah, it looks like the water slopes this way.
Yeah, it does. Water runs right from the garage.
A little bit of gutter repair.
Does this stuff clean up pretty well? This doesn't work. This one needs replaced. It's pretty old anyway. But...
The boards are rotted going up the steps. But that's where snow sets too, on that first step.
Since we're waiving the home inspection, we're not getting a scope of the sewer. So like the first thing I want to do is check the plumbing to make sure it works. Cause like if you notice, the shower doesn't really, like it's not all there. So I don't know if they use the shower or not. I'm gonna let this run for a while and see if the tub backs up.
And it's all plaster. But I don't see much crack.
We need to dust the fan. I think that's salvageable, right, Scott?
Salvageable.
New drywall in the bathroom, at least.
Brand new.
I would tile this around here.
Oh, me.
Just a hairline. That could be fixed. That's pretty sturdy, whatever's underneath it.
Yeah. Hey, Mike. Have you met Mike?
Hi guys.
Mike, how would you describe the smell?
It's like a mixture of cat piss and BO.
It has a taste
But
to it.
I can literally taste it in my mouth when I walk in every time.
The drains. That's why one of the reasons I have
The moisture is because, well, you said it.
There's no gutters.
There's no gutters.
Yeah. This is just barely leaning out, not in.
Okay.
In would be worse than out. The bottom part of the wall is fine. This is good. We just need to clean it all out, repaint it,
Seal it.
seal it. Yeah. The walls don't look bad. Just more so the outside. There's no gutters. There's no.
Right, well, the water's got to go somewhere, and that's what's
Yeah.
working its way out. But there's all your leaves.
He's got a cat. Here's some of his urine.
Oh yeah.
No, but it peed right there. That wasn't there yesterday. It looks like these are just cut out because they ran some splices in here. That's newer electrical tape.
What's the electrical tape part of it?
I have no idea. I genuinely.
Electric tape on a copper pipe.
There was a leak at one time in the kitchen. Some of the plasters come down. So can't see much in here, but just from looking at it, it looks like this is leaning a little bit.
It's all done.
This is working really good.
It does feel warm in here.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of heat coming out of this one.
The best thing about this is that we've got this awesome little app to where anything we need to get done, easy peasy.